Hello again. We are now in Jagala or Hagala?
I don't think they speak Spanish. I think Jagala
Jagala
or
Waterfalls.
Yagala.
So we are on our way down, basically, and we're waiting for the elderlies to come up because there are elderlies in the stairs. Anyway, and it's like a nature park. It's like basically you can do some picnics over here. There are nice pine trees as well. Attractions. Most of the people will come and visit this one as a day trip together with the other park. So Mark is there, and yeah, be careful. Really nice view overall. We just finished our Hagala Waterfalls. Now
Yagala, by the way.
Yagala. So now we're walking back to the streets in Adi Zoo. Anyway, yeah, we're going to find a ride now. Going to National Park. And as you can see around us, there's a lot of pine trees and greeneries. We're breathing fresh air. I repeat, fresh air. See you later. Hello, it's me again. So basically, as you can see, it's full of greeneries around the area. And even in the city, even here in the countryside, it's very clean. Look, when I went to Latvia, it's also clean. And even in Lithuania as well. Right, Mark?
Yes.
So we're crossing off like the Baltic countries.
Something that you didn't mention about the Baltic countries
Is
is that we keep getting connection even when we're in the forest or near the waterfalls.
exactly correct. It's very chill over here. And apart from that as well,